In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare versions in Zoho Writer. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your document's history, preview past drafts, and run a clear comparison to see what changed between two versions. This is especially useful when you're collaborating with others, reviewing edits over time, or simply trying to understand how a document evolved. Start by opening your document in Zoho Writer. Look at the top toolbar, right next to the document name, and click the small version or clock icon. That opens the document history panel on the side. In this panel, you'll see a chronological list of all past versions of your document. Each version is tagged with a timestamp, and if you've added labels previously, those will appear too. Timestamps help you quickly identify when a draft was saved, and labels can make it easier to spot milestones like first draft or client review. Nothing changes in your current document at this point. You're just accessing the history. If you want to view any version on its own, simply click it in the list. Zoho Writer will show you a snapshot of how the document looked at that moment in time. This is a safe, read-only view intended for review and comparison. Your active document stays exactly as it is, so you can move through older versions without worrying about overwriting your current work. Use the timestamps and any labels as a guide to jump to the draft you're interested in, and take a moment to scan the sections you care about most so you can quickly confirm what was present or missing in that version. When you're ready to compare two versions, go back to the document history panel. First, select the earlier draft you want to use as your baseline. Then select the second version you want to compare it with, typically the updated draft. After you've chosen both, click the Compare Versions option. Zoho Writer will generate a clear difference view that highlights what was added, removed, or modified between those 2 points in time. This side-by-side understanding helps you validate edits, confirm requested changes, and spot anything that might have been unintentionally altered. If you realize you picked the wrong versions, simply reselect the correct pair and run the comparison again. That's all there is to it. Open the history, preview the snapshots you need, and use Compare Versions to see precisely what changed. It's a quick, reliable way to keep your document story clear and your revisions on track.